everybody, I thought I'd show you a quick demonstration on how to remove your acrylic nails. A couple of you have purchased soak-off kits from me. In with your kit you will have the CJP soak-off in a little bottle, sealed, 10 wraps, a file and some cuticle sticks. This will remove your acrylic nails without damaging your nails, but you have to be patient. Okay, so what you need to do, I've done an acrylic nail on my silicone hand. So basically it comes off and comes back on again. So what you need to do is you need to take some, everybody's got these in their home. Okay, you need to take some nippers and you need to clip your length off. Now, be very careful that you don't nap your skin underneath. So you click to one side and you clip to the other side. Okay, and it'll go pinging across the room. Take your file. In with your kit you will have the 100-180 grit file. For the benefits of this video I am using my CJP 100-180 file. You need to use the 100 grit file. The 100 grit will be rougher on one side, the 180 grit will be smoother. Put your two index fingers at the end here and you rest your thumb on that file. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to rough up your nail. Just on the acrylic. So what you're actually doing is you're actually taking down bulk. Use pressure when doing this. Do not do this on your natural nail. So I'm going to just have a look. And you need to take as much down as possible. Now, obviously my regular clients will realise I do this with a drill. I don't do this by hand. If you've got gel polish on, you'll have to remove the gel polish this way without obviously me using the drill. So that's taking it down quite a lot. Oh, excuse me, my finger's just fallen out the thumb, like it normally does with these silicone hands. Okay, so you get a duster brush, any bathroom. One lady actually used a toothbrush to do that sort of thing, so obviously a lot of people are not going to have these. You get your acetone. Now I can't stress enough, you only need a small amount. And when I say a small amount, I mean just enough to soak the towel. Have a little bit of kitchen towel in front of you to take the excess off. I'd advise anybody not to use this on any polished tables. And then you need to pop that pad onto the nail and then wrap it round your nail and tuck underneath. And then wait 10 minutes. Hello, back again. Right, so we've waited about 10 minutes. So all you've got to do now is very gently, this won't rip this foil because it's proper soak-off foil, very gently take off your foil. Do one hand at a time. So basically what you've got to do is you've just got to stroke up the nail without it coming off. Take your little bits that come off, which is the acrylic. If you find that, a little bit like it's happening with me, you'll find that your nails will come off better than what I'm doing. But take your file and stroke over your nail. Use less pressure this time round. This will speed up the soaking off process. Watch your cuticles when you're doing this. I can see now my natural nail on the hand starting to take shape. I did a thick nail on the purpose that I know clients will have keep looking down the top of your nail. And just keep stroking across your nail with the file. I'm using the 100 grit side. You should start to see your natural nails. If you find that they're starting to go pink, stop, because you're hitting your nail bed. I've actually used a clear tip on this and I can see the clear tip. So what you need to do now is brush off or wipe off if you've got anything like nail polish remover or what have you. You can see the clear tip coming in. I'm going to rewrap mine for another 10 minutes. Hello, we're back again. Right, I've foiled off the rest off camera and that's what you should be left with. A nail with the tiny little bit of acrylic at the top. You can leave a little bit on if you wish. It will just dissolve itself, but you shouldn't have any pink nail beds or anything. It should just be flesh colour. Okay, and then obviously you've got your little tubs of cuticle oil. In the kits you can use your daily cuticle oil. Have a nice hand cream. I know how hand cream's forbidden while you're wearing acrylics or hard gel. You can apply your hand cream, and obviously nail hardener as well. Every day for 5 days, take it off. Use non-acetone nail polish remover, and hopefully we'll be open on the 3rd of December and we can have some sparkly nails for Christmas. I'll see you soon. Bye.